Networking remains the main way to connect with people. And it's also the main way to help build your network and develop relationships with others that will help you to connect the dots. One important thing to always remember, one conversation can change everything. And if you don't have a network, you're not going to have a conversation. Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach. And today's transition tip is it's not what you know, it's who you know, part 2. In my last video, I talked about what networking is. I challenged you to define your network using an Excel spreadsheet. And then I also talked briefly about how to use social media to expand your network. Today, I'd like to talk about 3 ways to build your network. And the first one is what we call informal networking. Now, simple definition is it's people you know, it's family, it's friends, maybe it's even some people you work with. And these are individuals that are, in many ways, your trusted friends. They value you, you value them. And quite honestly, if you call upon them and build that relationship, they will help you and they can identify potential opportunities that you never dreamed of. The second way to build your network is what we call formal networking. Now, all you have to do, especially if you're a veteran out there, is go on Google and Google military networking events. And you will find a number of network events that you can join and attend. Either some of them are online and some of them are in person. And I'll tell you what, I'll be happy to share my most favorite networking for military and give you my list if you just reach out to me after this video or send me an email yourself. And then finally, the third one is online networking. Now, I talked about this briefly on my last video, and online networking involves a lot of the different social media platforms. Now, I'm going to dig into this one because it's going to take more time to explain it. And one of my most favorite social media platforms in which to build your network is LinkedIn. It truly is a difference maker, and I will go into that more in depth on my next video. Connecting with your network and growing your connections will greatly facilitate your successful transition to civilian employment. Remember, you don't have to travel alone. I can help. Just reach out. This is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach.